Hello learners. Today in this video we are going to learn 8th standard science chapter number 11 human body and organ system. We have already learned about organs and organ system. So in this session we are going to continuing with blood circulatory system. Before we get started, let's take a look at the agenda. The module of the session is blood circulatory system, where we will get acquaint ourselves with structure of heart and function of heart. Then we will see structure of blood vessels and its functions, followed by capillaries. In this session, we will get familiar with vocabulary words like blood vessels, capillaries, ribs, involuntary muscles, arteries, and many more. Let's begin with our first module, that is blood circulatory system. The human body is a complex machine requiring many processes to function efficiently. The blood circulatory system plays a vital role in the human body. The human circulatory system consists of a network of arteries, veins, and capillaries, with the heart pumping blood through it. Its primary role is to provide essential nutrients, minerals, and hormones to various parts of the body. Alternatively, the circulatory system is also responsible for collecting metabolic waste and toxins from the cells and tissues to be purified and expelled from the body. The arteries carry blood away from the heart and veins carry it back to the heart. Let's see the structure of the heart. The heart is a muscular organ located in the chest cavity right between the lungs. It is present behind the ribs. It is positioned slightly towards the left in the thoracic region and is enveloped by the pericardium. Its size is equal to one's own fist and its weight is about 360 grams. It is made up of involuntary cardiac muscles. Contraction and relaxation of the involuntary muscles with a definite rhythm is called as beating of heart. The human heart is separated into 4 chambers, namely the upper chambers called atria and 2 lower chambers called ventricles. Let's study about function of heart. The right side of your heart receives oxygen poor blood from your veins and pumps it to your lungs, where it picks up oxygen and gets rid of carbon dioxide. The left side of your heart receives oxygen rich blood from your lungs and pumps it through your arteries to the rest of your body. Let's focus on the next part, that is blood vessels. Blood vessels are a network of pathways through which blood travels throughout the body. Arteries and veins are the two primary types of blood vessels in the circulatory system of the body. Arteries. Arteries are blood vessels that transport oxygenated blood from the heart to various parts of the body. They are thick, elastic, and are divided into a small network of blood vessels called capillaries. The only exception to this is the pulmonary arteries, which carries deoxygenated blood to the lungs. Next is veins. Veins are blood vessels that carry deoxygenated blood towards the heart from various parts of the body. They are thin, elastic, and are present closer to the surface of the skin. However, pulmonary and umbilical veins are the only veins that carry oxygenated blood in the entire body. Let's discuss about capillaries. Arteries gradually branch out with decrease in their diameter as they spread in the body and finally form hair-like vessels called as capillaries. Its walls are extremely thin and made up of single layer of cell. Due to this, exchange of materials like oxygen, nutrients, hormones, vitamins, etc. takes between capillaries and cell easily. Capillaries connect arteries to veins and help in exchange of substances across cells. So let's see functions of blood circulatory system. The most important function of the circulatory system is transporting oxygen throughout the body. The other vital functions of the human circulatory systems are as follows. It helps in sustaining all the organ systems. It transports blood, nutrients, oxygen, carbon dioxide and hormones throughout the body. It protects cells from pathogens. It acts as an interface for cell-to-cell interaction. The substances present in the blood helps repair the damaged tissue. So let's summarize what we have learned in this session. People got familiar with functions of circulatory systems, where they got acquainted ourselves with structure and function of heart, blood vessels and capillaries. This is all for today's session. Thank you.